Hello, love. Welcome back. For those of you who are new, my name is Jennifer Laurel Keller. I'm an artist and an instructor, but what I really do is help people gain creative confidence. When artists are asked the question, what inspires you? The most common answer, hands down, is nature, and rightly so. Its beauty is unparalleled and it adds so much life to our artwork. When working on mixed media collage, it's so nice to have a stash of natural elements ready for when you need a fresh pop of greenery. So in today's video, you'll get lots of ideas for how to make a variety of whimsical leaves with acrylic paint. And then I'll make an inspirational mixed media journal spread to put them into action. So I'm going to share this process as a time-lapse video and then chat as we go. So you'll see brush working techniques for how to create the shapes on different papers for a variety of effects. And then I embellish them with some fun designs by using some simple paint mixing and line work. Nothing too complex. And finally, I'll combine the leaves with different papers, paints, pens, and additional focal points in an art journal spread. This process is great if you want to save money on buying a lot of botanical embellishments and add more of a personal touch to your mixed media collaging. You can keep a stash of fresh inspiration right at your fingertips without having to be a master painter. And I get into this more in a Skillshare class that I made recently called Let Go and Layer with Mixed Media Journaling. So if you're interested in getting more in-depth instruction about this process, I'll leave more information about that at the end of the video, as well as down below in the description box. Art journals are a wonderful place to practice techniques that you want to try, but you're not really sure if you're ready to take them to a finished work of art. Or you might just want to relax and make something without worrying about showing other people. And your journal is just for you, so you don't have to worry about being judged. So there's a lot of freedom there. A lot of artists are hesitant to layer with mixed media. Either they're not sure how to do it, or it's a little too unfamiliar, which makes it seem scary. But it's a really forgiving process and a great way to make art, because if you do something that you don't like, you can just cover it up. And there are so many things to try as well. One idea leads to the other and another. So there's an infinite combination of applications for doing it, like the leaves in this video. And I always like to think, like, what if I tried X, Y, or Z? What if I tried to make my own leaves instead of buying them at the store? Or what if I tried using metallic paint on the leaves? And then what if the leaves were more whimsical and less realistic? It's all about getting inspired and then actually putting that inspiration into action. And the process will guide you as you go. So you can sit around all day and think about what you might like to try, but when all is said and done, none of your inspirational ideas will become reality until you sit down and start making things. And it's the practice that will help you grow as an artist. I repeat, it is the practice that will help you grow as an artist. The experience is what will help you hone your creative reflexes, and you'll develop techniques and styles that are more unique and easier to access in the moment. So if you feel stuck, you can just get a few things out and start opening up. You shouldn't expect to know or understand exactly what your finished piece will look like in the end. It's mostly about discovery. So it's like when you travel, if you won't book a trip just because you don't have every single minute planned without an itinerary, or you don't know exactly how the weather is going to be, you won't ever end up going anywhere, because knowing everything is totally impossible. You have to travel to experience a new place. and we make art for the same reason. So in a moment, I'm going to leave that information about the mixed media class, Let Go and Layer. But before I do, I just want to express my deep gratitude for having you here with me. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It helps out so much. And let me know in the comments if you've tried mixed media journaling and what kind of challenges you had with it. Maybe I can help, and it might help other viewers as well. So thank you again. I hope you have a great week. Happy painting and collaging. Much love. The best part of making art, in my opinion, is simply playing. That's when the magic happens, when time and space fall away and you're fully immersed in your craft. Experts even say that when you get in the zone, your health improves because your body and mind are relaxed and creative. My name is Jennifer Laurel Keller. I'm an artist and instructor, but what I really do is help people gain creative confidence. One of the best ways to play and improve your art is to practice in an art journal. That's because it's for your eyes only and you can totally let go. In this class, Let Go and Layer with Mixed Media Journaling, I will gently guide you through a process that allows you to play and experiment with acrylic paint, paper collage, and expressive mark making. In the lessons, I'll share techniques for how to start on a blank page and create an intriguing mixed media background. You'll watch over my shoulder step by step as I create a focal point and embellish the journal spread with playful marks. And finally, I'll show you how to seal the pages so they won't stick together and rip, which is a common problem with acrylic journals. I love this practice because it's absolutely foolproof. If you don't like something, you just let go of it and cover it up with another layer. This class is right for you if you want to learn how to loosen up and treat yourself to a soul-nourishing journal practice. It's valuable for all levels of experience, even if you've never painted before. I won't ask you to draw or paint anything from scratch. We'll be working with papers for our imagery, so all you have to do is play with color and collage. When you finish, you'll have a visual journal entry with beautiful insights that will keep you coming back for more. So are you ready to let go? I can't wait.